Nice lamps. Pretty credenza. Great desk. And again, we just accent it with all our pretties. And baby, it's cold outside. This is just a little 6.5-foot tree. It's just for fun. You know, we don't sell the trees. We just sell all the pretties. Kids like it with the buffalo check. I like it with the buffalo check. Snowballs. The baby, it's cold outside. So if you have a smaller room or a corner or a family room, then we have all different snowmen. But you know, think about the little 6.5-foot tree. It works. And these are something new for us. This is called a collar tree skirt. It's real cute. And again, we sell all the different pieces. Just come out and see what we have. Great wreaths. I mean, look at that bow. Buffalo check, red berries, snowballs, accent it with some pine cones. So I hope you come and see us. If you're looking for a small arrangement, we have that. Or if you're looking for Santa, we have him.